How to set an alarm in iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your clock app. Here we go. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of alarms. Now at the top right corner you'll find this plus icon. Click on it. With that you'll get this pop-up. From here you can easily set alarm for yourself. First you can select the time. Then click on this option of repeat. You can select the days. I'm gonna set it to every Saturday. Then you can click on the option of label. You can give a name to your alarm. Then you can click on the option of sound and select the alarm sound. If you also want to enable haptic, click on the option of haptics and check in for any of the options given over here. Then you can head back. If you want to get the option of snooze, you can toggle on for the option. Once you customize these settings, click on save, and just with that you have set the alarm. Well, this way you can easily set up alarm in your iPhone. By following the same steps, you can easily set up other alarms as well. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.